Now guys, today we show you how to fix the Venmo error, not sending code to email or phone. But before you complete, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So head over to Google and type in how to fix Venmo sending verification code and you'll get this page. So we must follow these simple steps. So all the logins on the login screen, enter your username, email address, country, phone number of your password. On the next screen, tap other options to confirm your identity, and if you don't see those options, contact the support team of Venmo. You'll be asked to provide the following confirmation: your full name, email address, and if you have a bank account on file, provide the routing number and last 4 digits of that bank account. So in this way, you'll fix the problem of not Venmo sending your verification code. You can also update your phone number to prevent further access issues. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you think the person will set the code and your password, you can also reset your password to fix this problem. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this great info, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.